Okay, so there is a new beta 3.7.0 1915. This is the beta 3.7. Transform your annotations. Let your marker do the magic in this update. Outline any piece of handwriting with the selection tool, then tap the convert icon to turn it into typed text. It'll save to the clipboard ready to paste when you tap the page in your notebook. What's new in the beta? Select to convert. Use the selection tool to convert any handwritten note into digital text. Choose your words. Improve text selection with adjustable handles for precise editing and formatting. And type your way. Navigate in menus and search results, or select items with new keyboard shortcuts for Type Folio. I can't show you that one because I don't have a Type Folio at the moment. So we can certainly have a look at these. Oh, what happened? Nothing happened. All right, so let's go to select to convert. Let's have a look. Back. Let's go in here. And let's have a look. Let us find some text. So here's the selection tool. What we're saying is we're going to select that, and now there's this extra option over here. It was always cut, copy. Now if we click on this one, converted text copied to clipboard. Now it's gone. So let's make a note that the text I had is gone. Let's paste. Portrait app aesthetic. That is what it said. So that's very good. But what if I didn't want it to be gone? Let me go back twice. I'm guessing what I would do with this new function is I would copy it, paste it, then convert it. And here, then I get to paste it. Now, just remember that I want to show you this. There's another layer being created now. You can see that. The template is the blank sheet underneath, which is like writing on a photo. It's a PNG file. Then the text is this layer, and at the moment we're on the layer 1. It's calling layer 1 because that's the typing layer. And as you know, when there's a T present, you can type, but it creates another layer. This is the reason why you can't move it around and do all that sort of stuff with it. So let's get rid of that for a second. And let me show you. If I go to type text, you see how it brings the cursor up here, and I can type a whole heap of stuff and then close it, and that is now there. Now you could never type in the middle of the page before. It always started at the top, so that's an interesting change right there. Okay, so that explains that one. Let's go back. Let's see if they've put the release notes in the document drawer. No, they haven't. Just thought I'd check. You never know. They're doing improvements all the time. Go back to the release notes. So we've used the selection tool. We've converted handwritten notes into digital text and pasted with ease, and it's pasted in the middle of the page. So for some who've been wanting that function, there it is. Choose your words. Improved text selection with adjustable handles for precise editing and formatting. So improved text. Okay, this is interesting because again, we're coming back to a typed function. Now, I had a page of typed text, and I think it's in my videos done. Here it is. Don't worry about that. Was for a different video. This one here. Right. Let's just get rid of that. Let us delete that. Pull it down and delete that. So again, just to explain how things are operating in here, here's your layers. The template is blank underneath. That's a PNG file. There's a text layer. Whenever you start writing, there's a text layer, which at the moment there's no writing. And then there's it actually automatically makes a layer 1 when you type, okay? And what the this update is saying is that we have to go into type mode to do it for a start. It's saying that there's improved handles. See the circle, improved handles, that it's easier to pick up and manipulate text. So we already know we can cut, copy. What is that one? Let's copy it. This is let's go down. Let's paste it. Oh, that's the paste icon. Then it's up to me. Yes, it is. Where are no, I don't want a comma. I get distracted sometimes. I can't help it. All right. So that's basically, it's just saying that when you're in type mode, that function is better. So settings, software, release notes. So that's choose your words, improved text selection with those handles. And then type your way, navigate in menus and search results or select items with new keyboard shortcuts. So I'm guessing on the keyboard, there are maybe some of the buttons have been reassigned for navigating in menus, searching and selecting items. I'm sorry, I can't show you that one because I don't have a keyboard folio at the moment. But hey, if Remarkable want to give me one, I'll say yes. I know, it's a little bit cheeky, isn't it? All right, so that's 3 beta 3.7. If you're wondering what we're all testing out right now for Remarkable, because then it'll become part of the software update when 3.7 becomes available. All right, that's all from me. Thanks so much. Bye.